Bixbite. Bixbite is a pink to red variety of beryllium aluminium silicate mineral. It comes in crystalline form and its colors are derived from the traces of calcium, chromium, iron and manganese. A precious piece of Bixbite stone. This beautiful raspberry red crystal was first discovered by mineralogist Maynard Bixby in 1904 and was named Bixbite in his honor. It's extraordinarily rare and can only be found in the Black Range in New Mexico, as well as in the Wawa Mountains and the Thomas Range in Utah. It's also known as Bibite and red beryl. It can sometimes be referred to as scarlet emerald and red emerald too. Why you would use Bixbite? Bixbite is a symbol of action and physical vitality. If you are looking for more energy and stamina to complete your day-to-day tasks, Bixbite should be your go-to crystal. It's also known as the right time crystal because it will help you determine when it's the right time for something. It will tell you when it's the right time to make a change, to pursue someone, or to try something new. Bixbite will give you the wisdom and the confidence to use the right time to improve yourself, your relationships, and your life in general. This crystal will give you strength of purpose and vigor to tackle your projects and to perform your job. It will keep your energy levels high and it will make sure that you stay motivated from start to finish. Can you get Bixbite as a necklace? Bixbite is an incredibly rare gemstone and can only be found in a handful of places. With colors that range from light pink to deep red, very few specimens of this stone can be found big enough or high quality enough to be used in making jewelry. It's considered as the rarest of the beryl gemstones. Finding a big spiked necklace at an affordable price and in large quantities can be very challenging. The confusion stems from their physical appearance and chemical construction that are nearly identical. Piezotates are also quite rare but not as valuable as Bixby. They are a completely different mineral with a different refractive index, density, and chemical composition. Piezotates that have been found in Afghanistan make them more available compared to Bixby. Because Bixby is so rare, always insist on getting a certification for its authenticity when you buy one from a jewelry store. Because they are rare stones, expect the search for the perfect Bixby necklace to be more difficult compared to other gemstones jewelry prices. Prepare to spend quite a lot of money to purchase this lovely stone as well. For instance, a Bixby that's less than a carat and set in diamonds and yellow gold on a white gold pendant can fetch for approximately 100 $1,975. The annual yield of Bixby is approximately 5,000 to 7,000 carats a year only. This is why most Bixby specimens are only under 1 carat. If you come across one that's about 2 to 3 carats, that's already considered a very large stone. The beautiful red appearance of Bixby is caused by the presence of manganese. Even if Bixby has a lot of inclusions and oftentimes translucent, gem collectors regard it a more valuable acquisition compared to ruby. Deep pink is the most desired color for Bixby, although in recent years it's been very hard to find a color like it in any reasonable quantity. However, you can still add Bixbite to your jewelry collection by purchasing a lab-produced Bixbite. Bixbite is quite rare and remains quite unfamiliar to a lot of people. It's too bad that it's so scarce because a lot of people will be bowled over by its elegance and beauty. It's also quite a durable stone that can withstand bumps, knocks, and scratches, which is perfect for jewelry that can be worn every day. You can purchase a Bixbite necklace online from really good and reputable jewelry retailers. Make sure that you are provided with the certificate of authenticity to guarantee that you have the real thing.